Welcome to our exploration of the plant kingdom. Plants are fascinating multicellular photosynthesizers that have two defining characteristics: rigid cell walls that provide structure and protection, and chloroplasts that enable them to convert sunlight into energy. These remarkable organisms form the foundation of most terrestrial ecosystems and are essential for life on Earth. So what exactly makes a plant? Plants are multicellular, complex organisms with specialized cells and tissues. Their cells are protected by rigid cell walls made of cellulose, which provide structural support. Plants photosynthesize using specialized organelles called chloroplasts, which contain the green pigment chlorophyll. Finally, plants store their energy as starch, a complex carbohydrate that can be broken down when needed for growth and metabolism. Let's examine the cell wall more closely. Plant cell walls are made of cellulose fibers, which are incredibly strong polysaccharides arranged in layers. The cell wall provides structural support and protection for the delicate cell membrane and internal organelles. It also maintains cell shape under pressure, allowing plants to stand upright and maintain their form even in challenging environmental conditions. This rigid structure is what distinguishes plant cells from animal cells. Chloroplasts are the solar energy collectors of plant cells. These specialized organelles convert sunlight into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the site where photosynthesis occurs, capturing light energy and using it to transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This glucose serves as the primary energy source for plant growth, reproduction, and all metabolic activities. The photosynthesis equation shows us exactly how plants create energy. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, combined with light energy, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. The carbon dioxide comes from the atmosphere through tiny pores in leaves called stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil through the roots. Sunlight provides the energy needed to power this remarkable chemical reaction that sustains plant life. Plants have evolved efficient systems for storing energy. Starch is a complex carbohydrate stored in roots, seeds, and tubers for long-term energy reserves. Glucose, a simple sugar, provides immediate energy for cellular processes. Plants maintain long-term starch reserves to support growth and reproduction, especially during periods when photosynthesis is limited. When energy is needed, starch is broken down through cellular respiration, releasing the stored chemical energy for use by the plant. The plant kingdom is incredibly diverse, containing 4 major groups. Mosses are simple, non-vascular plants that lack specialized tissues for transporting water and nutrients. Ferns are vascular plants that reproduce using spores rather than seeds. Conifers are seed plants that produce cones and include familiar trees like pines and spruces. Flowering plants are the most diverse group, producing flowers and fruits, and include everything from grasses to oak trees to roses. Let's review the key concepts about the plant kingdom. Plants are multicellular organisms characterized by cell walls made of cellulose. They use chloroplasts to perform photosynthesis, converting light energy into chemical energy. Plants store this energy as starch for later use. The plant kingdom encompasses diverse groups ranging from simple mosses to complex flowering plants. Understanding these fundamental characteristics helps us appreciate the critical role plants play in sustaining life on our planet.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.